Hello fellow Island Riders, glad to have you along for the adventure again today. Today we're picking it up just outside of Red Rock Motorsports. The plan today is to head and make our way up west a little bit. So the plan for getting there is to take a trail that we spotted when we came back from New Brunswick actually. And that is the Plan B trail. Now, this trail is a bit of a mystery. And I'm not exactly sure what all goes into it. However, I do know that it's around these parts, and I think it's that right there. So yeah, looks like a grand old time by the looks of it. I think you just drop in right here, don't you? Yeah, looks like it. Cool. Bit washy. Sketchy. Oh, bit of a hill climb ahead. Getting right into it already. Man, oh man. That's not too bad. What's the line here, right? Right line. Big climb. No problem for the Silver Fox. Oh, right on. That's actually pretty steep. Pretty rad. So yeah, I am not 100% sure who runs this section of ATV trail, if this is an ATV trail at all, but I do know it's a lot better than being down there with those guys. And man, so far it looks pretty fun. The birds seem to like it. Maybe they'll throw on the old trail lights for this, eh? I will say this is favored by a lot of dirt bikes, so I have to stay frosty today because could get a little sketchy. Oh, another big climb here, which means there's a big drop. Big old climb. Wow, you can feel the front end of it come up when they do that. All right, where to now? Now, this looks like we go to the right here, but I can pop back up on the highway and pull the dual sport card if need be. Looks like if I come up here, back up onto the highway, I can pick that up. Looks like they come back up over here, no tracks that way. To search around a bit for this. There we go. Should be able to bump right up over this. Too bad. I guess this is in every essence dual sport for sure, right? Oh yeah, muddy as slippy old mud. So this is new route unlocked for me, so we're gonna have to check myself a little bit, go back to new route unlock protocol where we just kind of chill and suss everything out. As already, as we've seen, this is a bit of a different type of trail. But yeah, this is really like, this will be my first real adventure ride since coming back from Cape Breton. Man, oh man, that was one heck of an adventure. God, it was so fun. Oh, the places that we saw, you know what, I'll tell you, I'm editing it right now. And I'm just through part one. The plan was to edit it all up before I go on another ride. You know, try to like keep myself managed, but you know, I just can't resist. I just can't. I gotta get out here. But yeah, that was so good. But you guys are probably watching this like deep into the winter by now, based on everything that we already have filmed. You know what? It might be a good idea to start putting filmed on information on these videos. Maybe we'll leave a message. Future Dowski, can you please run the date this was filmed underneath here? Yeah, I can do that. Hang tight. How's that looking? Thank you very much. All right, let's dial her down. Don't want to work up too much of a sweat. Trail sign says everybody's taken to the left. But where does that go? You know what? I bet you anything that connects up through to our Clyde run. But today, well, let's go into this guy. Oh yeah, wait a minute. We can go up through... We can go up there. Through what looks like around there. Let's check this out. Wow. Cool. And what's up here? And what's through here? So many questions. I know this isn't the route, but I just kind of want to explore anyway. Oh yeah, look at that radio tower. That's where we came in after New Brunswick, eh? Right there. Let's double back, see where that other stuff goes. There's another section. This is such a weird spot. Oh, nope. You can see the turnarounds here and the people who went through it. Well, what is it? What do you think? Might not be too bad, but it's just us. It looks solid, eh? This is solid. This is solid ground. Rocky solid ground. You know, we could double back. Trail deteriorates a bit. So it looks like this. I wonder if it connects over there. Oh man, this is so cool. What do we got here? Oh, it just ends here. Oh, but that's just pretty. I think we want to get over there. Actually, you know what we should do? We should scout the area with the drone real quick. Let's go see what the drone says. Alright, so there's definitely something going on here. So the trail on the other side of this river extends on, and it looks like we can get out into that little play area through that tunnel. And then it's back up onto the highway and maybe through the woods, but there also looks like there's another section that goes off to the left. Let's double back here and see what else we can find. And there we are. So here's the other side of the pond, but I'm not clear as to how we get across. You can see where people come in. This would be a great fishing spot if it was still fishing season. But there's where the trail picks up from where we left off before. Look, you see it? Right there. Directly below us. Bit of a trail that runs right up onto the highway to the guardrail. A little bit, but I mean, you wouldn't get over the guardrail. Alright, I think the strategy is to head back. Cut up across the highway. Right back to where that tunnel was, maybe. And then we'll have to try to find some way to get back across. Alright. Let's go figure this one out. See if we can't get over to the other side. check it right there, right side. Let's see how it pans out. Maybe not. Ooh, there we go. There we go. No trespassing there. So that's an old amusement park. That's where that goes. But straight. Oh man. Is it another bust? Can't be. Let's just take a look. This is just not well traveled. But it might pan out into something. I mean, there is trail sign here, but nothing substantial. Yeah, it ends right here, eh? Well, what did we see then? Is it that? Could be that. All right. More doubling back. This is the greatest advertisement for a dual sport you could possibly do. Run up alongside the highway and make all the cars jealous. What's this right side? Right side here. Yeah, look. Dual track. We definitely go through here. Alright, let's keep at her. Look at all the tracks. Fresh from days from now. It's all good. Ooh. Take her easy on this one. Oh man, this is a little steep. The kind of steep where you can't see over the other side. Oh, jump-ins. I don't think there's any turning around either, folks. We can do it. Just don't go sideways. We're going sideways. Oh yeah, no problem, no problem. Down and up. Big rocks, right side and left side. High stakes, left side. There. Straighten up. Let's go. All right. Road not plowed. I like it. All right. And this takes us to the Appin Road, guaranteed. Okay, wow, what a cool little ride this was. That is a potential route. It's definitely new route unlocked, that's for sure, but man, oh man, we got to do some work on that one. Both on ourselves and both on trying to stitch that thing together. That was mission number 1. I really wanted to check out that trail. I hope you enjoyed it. Next mission is to head out towards Summerside. We're on our way to Cape Edgemont. So, until we ride out on that adventure together, take care, Island Riders. How you doing, Foxy? Doing okay, buddy? Let's have a look at you.